All right, here are some do's and don'ts to help you avoid, potential pitfalls when it comes to buying your house. First off, some things to do. You want to continue making timely payments on your debts and, monthly obligations that you have. You may also want to consider paying off other debt, but please, consult with us first so that you can be sure it doesn't negatively impact your scores or get in the way of you closing and that it makes sense to do so. Another thing you're going to want to do is wait. And by that, I mean don't open any new credit cards, close accounts, or even make any inquiries to minimize any risk that your debt to income, ratios might increase or your score might be impacted. Both can get in the way of you closing. So get your keys before, wait until then. Even if you're just getting a new cell phone, please ask if it requires a hard inquiry. And if it does, then reach out before moving forward. You're also going to want to keep us in the loop with any changes, whether it's the amount you're planning to put down on the house, to changes in the hours that you're working, or any other potential changes to your financial circumstances. In terms of what not to do, kind of tied in with waiting to make purchases and changes, don't make any large purchases without consulting with us. And another thing you don't want to do is get pre-qualified. And what do I mean by that? Pre-qualifications are worth about as much as monopoly money without having all the documents to properly compute ratios and confirm what's entered on a loan application. A pre-qualifications, like those letters you get in the mail saying you're pre-qualified for a credit card, if you actually want the card, you're going to have to submit a real application. So anyways, once we get you pre-approved, we go one step further to have the file fully underwritten, which strengthens your file as much as possible to help your offer get accepted. And we can talk about that in more detail if you'd like.